This is the review for the next set of pens, which is Souffle. They are made by Sakura, and we have written both on black color and white color baked polymer clay. You have to allow the pens to dry completely, preferably overnight, and then bake for 10 minutes at the recommended temperature for the clay baking. What we found was that they aren't very opaque after they have been baked. So as you can see, on black you pretty much cannot see the color at all, whereas on white they pop out really well. They are smudge proof and they are waterproof both after they have been baked, not before. The one thing we found was that the colors darken. As you can see the comparison here, this is a shot before we baked it and that is the piece after baking. As you can see, the skin color has darkened a great deal, so you'll have to account for that whenever you are using it. You can also bake these or use a heat gun to sort of bake these pens after you've finished writing on baked clay, not unbaked clay. Now, as an alternative for being able to do white on dark colors, we have used Uniball Senior, which we found a pretty useful and easily available pen. As you can see here, it has been written with this pen on top of black clay, and even after baking you can see that it's completely smudge proof. So if you are trying something like mandala or some kind of single line drawing with white pen, this is a very good choice, Uniball Senior. Here in this case we have used the same white pen to highlight the eyes because the base is pearl white. One note, if you're using alcohol inks with these pens, the alcohol inks seep into the pens if you've done them before. Okay, so as you can see here in the eye, the glint which was made was actually white, but the alcohol ink has seeped into the pen and it's become slightly pinkish in color. So account for all these things whenever you're using multiple types of ink in your work.